Making adjectives your allies. Enhance your English vocabulary. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting video in our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're going to dig deep into adjectives, a crucial component of English grammar. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what adjectives are but also understand how to use them effectively to spice up your conversations and writing. Let's get started. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies another person or thing in the sentence. They help paint a vivid picture in our minds by providing more details about the subject. They make our language rich and colorful. For example, in the sentence, "She has a big dog." Big is an adjective because it describes the dog. It gives us more information about the dog's size. Adjectives come in different types, each serving a different purpose. Descriptive adjectives. These are the most common type, describing qualities such as size, color, shape, taste, etc. Examples: happy, blue, spicy, round. Quantitative adjectives. They describe the quantity or amount. Examples: some, many, few. Demonstrative adjectives. They point out to specific people or things. Examples: this, that, these, those. Possessive adjectives. They show possession or ownership. Examples: my, your, his, her. Interrogative adjectives. They are used to ask questions. Examples: which, what, whose. Understanding where to place an adjective in a sentence is equally important. Attributive position. When an adjective is placed before the noun it modifies, it is in the attributive position. Example: she is a kind woman. Predicative position. When an adjective is placed after the verb and it describes the subject of the sentence, it is in the predicative position. Example: the woman is kind. Adjectives are also used to make comparisons. There are 3 degrees of adjectives. Positive degree. It describes just one noun or pronoun. Example: she is tall. Comparative degree. It compares 2 nouns or pronouns. Example: she is taller than her sister. Superlative degree. It compares more than 2 nouns or pronouns. Example: she is the tallest in her class. There you have it, folks. That's your crash course on adjectives. We've learned what they are, their types, where they fit into a sentence, and how they can be used to make comparisons. Now, it's your turn to practice. The more you use adjectives in your daily communication, the better you'll get at using them. And remember, adjectives are your allies. They're here to make your English more colorful and expressive. Happy learning, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more grammar fundamentals.